am back. I'm coming to you up close and in person right now. This is kind of like impromptu filming because I just came back from out to eat for my dad's birthday, and I was like, let me film this video since I rocked this hair today. So this hair is from Dyhair777. You guys know you've seen this hair before on my channel. And whenever I wore this hair for my phone unboxing and like my watch unboxing, I got a lot of questions just because I was wearing this hair in a different style. In my initial video, I put like a bun, like ponytail in the middle. So I've been wearing it like this lately, and this is my style that I've been doing with the middle part. And I think this one is definitely more relatable because a lot of people wear their hair, you know, just down more than up. So I'm going to tell you guys about this hair real quick. I'm actually going to pull up my other video so I can tell you the details on this hair. If you want to see the packaging and all that stuff, then I will put the first video down below so you guys can check it out because I don't have it right here in front of me. So this hair is a 360 lace wig, which means that you can wear it up in a bun and like in a ponytail and stuff, like all the way around. This hair is 180 density. And the wave of this hair, or like the type that this hair is the European deep wave, and the cap size is the size medium, which is a 22 to 22.5, and I think my head is 22 exactly, or 21, something like that, but it still works out. And the hair color is a 1B. I do also have an elastic band in this cap, and I want to say my head must be a 21 because this cap is a little bit big, but it still works for me okay. Like I'm able to get away with it, but it could be a lot more snug. So yeah, you want to make sure you order the right size. This is a medium. I always usually get a small. I don't know why I got a small, but I mean, I don't know why I got a medium with this company because all of my other wigs are usually a small. But yeah, so that's all the tea on that. And also there is a $10 off code off of a $50 order, and the code is princess, so I will put that down below as well. It's on the first video if you guys want to check that out. So I wanted to just show you guys the hair in this style and everything. I had some stuff to do today. This hair is great for work, like everyday type hair, especially if you're gonna co-wash the hair and leave it out to air dry. You can kind of just put it on in the morning, fluff it, and go ahead and lay it down and put your baby hairs and everything into place. I don't feel like it takes a long time to style because you don't have to do any curling to the hair or anything like that. This is how it's looking right now. I just do a little bit of baby hairs around the front in case the wind blows, and you can see that it looks really natural. And I always get a lot of questions about this hair. People are always asking me, is it a wig, is it a sew-in? Like they really can't tell unless, I guess, even if you're up close, because I've had people that I've actually seen out in public that thought that it was my real hair. Like one lady followed me to my car literally, and she thought it was my real hair, and I was like, no girl, this is a wig. Like, honey, let me tell you where you can get this wig from. So yes, I love this hair. I love the curl pattern on it. The hair is really nice. I have worn this hair with just like spraying it down with some water and like leaving out of the house like that, where the hair had already been co-washed previously. But I love this hair the most whenever I co-wash it each time that I'm gonna wear it, and I just leave it, you know, and let it air dry, and then I will put it on and kind of like scrunch it a little bit, flip it upside down, flip it back, whatever, just to get a little bit more volume and body in the hair. And I don't know, I just love the hair. It's so pretty, and I love how it has like a nice wave, and then it goes into some nice little ringlets. So really pretty. And if you guys want to do like a style with this hair, refer to the first video because I did put it in a bun, and I also show you how to lay the wig down, like using gel and spritz and everything like that. This time today I used a little bit of Gorilla Glue and my Got To Be Glam Force spray. I just used a little bit. So yeah, I've had this on all day, literally since this morning. I had to be somewhere for 8:30 this morning, and right now it is 10 o'clock. So I've had this wig on all day, over 12 hours at this point. So yeah, I love this wig. It's so beautiful. I always get questions about it everywhere I go. People are always asking me about this hair. My cousin thought that this was like some bundles, like a wig that I made, but no, it came like this, honey. So I was trying to put her on like, girl, get you one of these Dyhair777 wigs. So yes, I really love this hair. It's really soft. And yeah, this is a close-up of the texture of it. If you guys want to really see the curl of it, it's really pretty. And at the top it has like a nice wave to it, which I'm sure you can see all of that right there. It's like super wavy, and then it goes into a curl. So pretty. I don't really have any problems with this hair. I don't sleep in it or anything like that, because like I said, this is hair that I like to co-wash and then put it on. So I don't really have any issues. Whenever I do co-wash it, I will get a little bit of shedding, but it's not anything crazy. Curly hair is usually gonna shed because curly hair is more dry, but I find that this hair is very moisturized. I don't really have to put any oils in it, and I really don't have to put a leave-in conditioner in this hair for the curls to, you know, not be frizzy and for the curls to pop like this. I can literally just wet the hair down and let the hair air dry, like co-wash it with the conditioner, but then I can rinse everything out and let it air dry and it will still be good to go. But usually I will put a little bit of conditioner in it, not anything super heavy, just so that the curls are really locked into place really good, because I don't like my hair to be like super big and frizzy. I just want like a little bit of volume. So yeah, I love this hair. Probably about to film another video real quick. So yeah, that's it for this video. I can't think of anything else that I want to tell you guys. I absolutely love this wig, as you guys do too. But always getting questions about this hair as if I don't already have a video up. So that just tells me that you guys need to hit that notification bell below so you never miss a video, and then that way you would have already knew where this hair was from, and you know it should pop in or whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss it. You know, you gotta be popping or whatever. All right, bye, dolls.